soft brakes. I think I boiled them. Again? I think I boiled them. Again? I can feel it. It was very soft. I had to go all the way to the floor.
That's fine.
So
just turn around.
I could feel that the brakes. I brought brake fluid.
Oh, you did the right thing, so.
Yeah, I saw that. I think I boiled. Again, this is a tough track. Wow.
All right,
it's
so
a fast track.
Yeah, wait till he tells you to come on.
Yep. Oh my God, I'm soft. I can feel it. Yep. Soft. I have to go to the floor.
You're going to go back on through there, I think.
Yep, he's telling me to go.
Yep.
I can feel the brakes. Wow. This is a hard braking. Okay.
Yeah, and the worst part is it's not even hot yet.
Yeah, but I have full tank of Castrol SRF. I brought a motive brake bleeder. I probably have a little bit of OEM.
Yeah, and that's going to be part of the problem, because if you've got a little bit of it, you're only as good as the worst fluid.
Oh, because of the that boiled, but the SRF's fine.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm ready. I got 4 jack stands.
Well, if you're going to do it, what I would recommend,
yep.
turkey baste out all the fluid in the master cylinder.
Okay. I don't have a turkey baster.
Well, or you could use a spray bottle. Let me see if I brought mine with me. I don't know if I did.
Just so you don't have to bleed them all.
Well, it'll take forever. So if you turkey baste it all out,
yep.
Then fill it up with the right fluid, then
yep.
you bleed each one, and then you basically
okay, yeah, let's do that.
You'll still have some of the ABS.
I want to go right up to the this car is weird. As far this point I can, because then I have the most space to start jacking. God, I can't believe that happened. I'm just so dumb. Oh God, I have no brakes. I got no brakes. Oh, what do? I got no brakes. Oh shoot, I got no brakes. Oh, I got no brakes.
Pull the parking brake.
Oh God, sorry, I got no brakes. Oh shoot, I don't know whose stuff it was. I got nothing.
Hit the parking brake.